Why Apple glasses might be groundbreaking. Apple glasses have the potential to be a groundbreaking product for several reasons. Here are some of the ways that Apple glasses could revolutionize the technology industry. Augmented reality experience. Apple glasses are expected to deliver a unique augmented reality (AR) experience. With advanced sensors and cameras, the glasses will be able to detect and track the user's surroundings, allowing digital objects to appear seamlessly integrated into the real world. This means that users can interact with the digital world in a much more immersive and intuitive way than ever before. Standalone device. Apple glasses are rumored to be a standalone device, meaning that they will not need to be paired with an iPhone or other Apple device to function. This would make Apple glasses a new product category for Apple and a significant step forward in the wearable technology market. Hands-free interaction. It is expected that Apple glasses will have voice control, allowing users to interact with the device hands-free. This will allow users to access information and control the device without the need to touch it or use their hands, making it a more seamless and convenient experience. Customized AR content. Apple has been working on developing its own AR content for Apple glasses. This would include a range of apps and experiences designed specifically for the device, such as virtual try-on experiences for shopping or immersive gaming experiences. This means that users will have access to a wide range of customized content that is optimized for the unique features of Apple glasses. Healthcare. Apple glasses could have a significant impact on the healthcare industry. With the ability to track and monitor the user's health metrics, the device could be used to detect early warning signs of various health conditions and alert users to take action. Additionally, the device could be used to provide real-time feedback and guidance to patients during medical procedures. Apple glasses have the potential to be a groundbreaking product that could revolutionize the technology industry. With advanced AR capabilities, hands-free interaction, customized AR content, and potential healthcare applications, Apple glasses represent a significant step forward in the wearable technology market. We can't wait to see what Apple has in store for us with this exciting new product.